Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to remove header navigation from a Squarespace page. This is particularly useful when you want to create landing pages, thank you pages, or any standalone page where the standard navigation might be distracting or unnecessary for your visitors. First, open your browser and head over to squarespace.com. Once you're on the site, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will bring you to your main Squarespace dashboard where you can manage all your websites. Once you're on the dashboard, you'll see all the websites associated with your account. Simply click on the specific website where you want to remove the header navigation. This action will take you into the back end of that particular site, giving you access to all its editing and customization features. Now, direct your attention to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options for managing your site. Click on Website, and directly underneath that option, you'll find Pages. Click on Pages to access the full list of all the pages on your website. This is where you can make modifications to individual pages, which is exactly what we need for this tutorial. From the list that appears, locate and select the specific page where you want to remove the header navigation. This could be any page on your site, whether it's a landing page, a contact form, or a special promotional page. Once you've identified the right page, hover your cursor over it. When you do this, a small gear icon will appear next to the page name. Go ahead and click on that gear icon to access the page settings. In the page settings menu that opens up, look for the option labeled Advanced and click on it. This section gives you access to more technical customization options, including the ability to inject custom code directly into your page. It's a powerful feature that allows for precise control over how individual pages appear and function. Within the advanced settings, you'll see a field called Page Header Code Injection. This is where you'll add the code that hides the header navigation. Click into that field and type the following code exactly as it appears: open angle bracket style close angle bracket. Then on the next line, type hashtag header space, open curly bracket display colon none close curly bracket, and on the final line type open angle bracket slash style close angle bracket. This CSS code specifically targets the header element and removes it from view on this page only without affecting any other pages on your site. After you've entered the code, click Save to apply your changes. The header navigation will now be hidden from that specific page, giving you a cleaner, more focused layout for your visitors. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the header navigation from your Squarespace page. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.